going to use to see how much juice I have. So I feel like it'd be cool to make it a one part type salad dressing, where it's 1 part lemon juice, 1 part olive oil, 1 part coconut aminos. In case you guys haven't used coconut aminos before, they are really good. It's made from coconut sap, and that would have been bad. And they're a good replacement for Worcestershire sauce and soy sauce. So if you have a soy-free diet and things like that, are they gluten-free too? Oh, that says that. Okay, they're not gluten-free. They are soy-free and wheat-free, and it's good for dressings and marinades. It's really good. I bought them for the Trader Joe's chicken gyozas, and it's great for that. Okay, so it's about 2 tablespoons of juice from that half lemon. So I'll do 2 tablespoons of coconut aminos as well. A serving is a 1/16 of a cup, which is about 1 tablespoon, so this is like 2 servings. Actually, since the coconut aminos are savory, I probably won't add salt to this. These are my delicious flavors. Oh, I just noticed that there's measures on this. I'm assuming that's like a 1/3 cup, and that's 2/3 cup. That's cool. All right, so we have 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of coconut aminos, and then I'll do 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Let me see, which olive oil do I want to use? Oh, I'll use the one that says it's good for drizzling over salads or pizza. That makes sense. Ooh, I need to repurchase this soon. Oh my gosh, potatoes. Starting to look like a true salad dressing. And there's a little bit of orange peel. And there we have it. Homemade salad dressing for